smells good. Okay, that oil should be good and ready now. Today I'm going to show you how to make popcorn. Because I'm tired of popcorn, the microwave popcorn, and they say that microwave popcorn is toxic and not good for you. The first thing you want to do is coat the pan, the bottom of the pan, coat it with some good old oil. Any oil will do. And then put your heat on. So go ahead and medium heat. I just got some good old Kroger popcorn right there. Yeah, thing that you're gonna need. Oh man, it's delayed. Popcorn. Nice layer. Just layer the bottom of it. Gotta get that lid on there. Ooh, look at that sizzle nizzle. It's gonna start popping. Watch this. I cranked the heat up a little bit because it didn't seem like the popcorn was popping. I think it's popping now. Uh-oh. I think it's doing something. Take the lid off. Oh, I lost the kernel. I lost the kernel. Take some patience, but I think that this is the right heat right there. You can use any popcorn you want. You can use any butter. I'm gonna open this butter and try to get in trouble with my wife. This butter's expensive. Look at this, we got ignition. This is the best way to have your popcorn. You just let it pop away until you don't hear no more popping. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that, no kernels. And the pan is still hot. While the pan is still hot, get your butter. Watch this sizzle. You need some extra creamy salted butter for putting some butter. The pan is still hot. Look at that. Probably get some melted butter for the popcorn. Look at that. good popcorn. Take some salt. Just a little couple shake. Now you're ready for your movie, or you're ready for whatever you're gonna do. Yeah, need some popcorn. Popcorn is good for movies, for road trips, for whatever. Make a bag of popcorn and then you're ready for your snack. That's good. How far away?